I'm Anna LaBarbera. I'm a rising senior here at Columbus State. I am interning here at the National Infantry Museum for the summer. For the most part, I've been working on my overall project, which is with the education department. But I've also been downstairs in the collection and worked with the curators. Other days I walk around and help give tours, so every day is a little bit different and I love it.
About that panel, so give her your attention and respect. Take it away.
Well, the soldiers, when they come through, they get a tour of the last 100 yards, which is the ramp back there. The piece that I am giving information about is the Vietnam War, Landing Zone X-ray. Landing Zone X-ray, our intelligence had told us that there was only about 240 Vietnamese soldiers there. We decided to go a little bit overkill and we sent in about 450 of our soldiers. We thought this would be kind of easy and we would take them out. I'm on the secondary education track and part of me wants to be a high school history teacher. However, I wasn't completely sold on that idea yet, and I was really hoping to find some other alternative still in the education world, but maybe try a non-conventional classroom and see if I like something like that more. If all works out and my plan is where I need to be in a classroom, then that's where I'm going to go. But if there's another opportunity, either here at the NIM in the future or at another history museum, I would love to have that opportunity because I really do like working with museums. Every time I walk through the galleries, I find something new or I read something new that I swear was never there before, but it always has been there. And just pick up on new things every time.